Hi brain sprouts. Robbie here. Today, we're going to explore the world of decimals. Decimals are just numbers with a dot, and that dot is called the decimal point. Decimals help us when we want to talk about parts of a whole. Are you ready? Let's go. Lesson 1. What are decimals? Imagine you have one whole pizza. If you eat the whole thing, that's 1. But if you eat half, instead of saying 1, we say 0.5. That's a decimal. Decimals are like fractions, but written in a different way. Example 1. Pizza with 10 slices. Eat 3 slices and 3 over 10 or 0.3 is left. Example 2. Cake cut into 100 pieces. Eat 25 pieces and 25 over 100 or 0.25 is left. Example 3. Orange cut into 4 parts. Eat 2 and 1 over 2 or 0.5 is left. Lesson 2. Decimal place value. Decimals have their own places, just like whole numbers. Look at 3.45. The 3 is the whole number. The 4 is in the tenths place equals to 4 over 10. The 5 is in the hundredths place equals to 5 over 100. If we had 3.456, 6 is in the thousandths place equals to 6 over 1000. So decimals can go as small as we want: tenths, hundredths, thousandths, tiny crumbs of a cookie. Lesson 3. Comparing decimals. Which is bigger? 0.3 or 0.09? Let's think. 0.3 is 3 tenths. 0.09 is 9 hundredths. If we write them as fractions, 0.3 equals to 30 over 100. 0.09 equals to 9 over 100. So 0.3 is bigger. Game time. Shout the bigger number before I do. 0.5 or 0.25? Answer. 0.5. 0.8 or 0.75? Answer. 0.8. 0.12 or 0.2? Answer. 0.2. Lesson 4. Fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals are best friends. The rule in changing fractions to decimals is simple. Divide the numerator by the denominator, and when you reach a point when you cannot divide again, you put your decimal point and add a 0 to the remainder. 1 over 2 equals to 0.5. 1 over 4 equals to 0.25. 3 over 4 equals to 0.75. 1 over 10 equals to 0.1. So whenever you see a fraction, you can turn it into a decimal. Lesson 5. Decimals in real life. Decimals are everywhere. Money. 50 cents is half a dollar. Measurements. A ruler shows 0.5 centimeters, 1.25 centimeters, and more. Sports. A race might say 9.58 seconds. So decimals help us in shopping, cooking, running, and even in games. Quick practice. I'll give you a decimal, you tell me what it means. 0.1 is 1/10. 0.25 is 25 hundredths. 0.75 is 75 hundredths. 1.5 is 1.5. Assignment. Now it's your turn, brain sprouts. Try these and share your answers in the comments. Write 0.4 as a fraction. Which is bigger? 0.07 or 0.7? Convert 3 over 10 into a decimal. If you spend $2.50, how many dollars and cents is that? I'll be checking your answers. Wow, brain sprouts. You did an amazing job learning about decimals today. We learned what decimals are, their place value, how to compare them, how they connect to fractions, and how we use them in real life. If you had fun learning, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Brain Sprouts, and leave a comment with your answers. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.